Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Libra, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. For Libra, please. Libra. Okay. Merong stuff. You will be taken care of in difficult times. Okay? May mga tao na nagsusupport sa inyo. Kung magkakaroon ka ng problema or you're in trouble. Okay? Success. Okay. Success for you, Libra. Okay? For some of you, you are enjoying the success that you have now. Okay? Merong dragon. Beware of self-delusion. Hand. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. Okay? For some of you, you need support, you need assistance and guidance in your work. Okay? Sa career mo, sa finance, or even in your personal life. Okay? Not unsuccessful plans. Okay? That is for some of you. Lobster, financial pinch. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Libra, please. Libra. What are the messages? Energies for Libra. Ano yung mga gabay or paparating for Libra, please? Libra. Okay. King of Swords. Okay. Okay. May mga decision kayo na kailangan gawin, Libra, when it comes to your work or sa company that you are in. Okay. Okay. For some of you, kinakailangan mo mag-plan, okay, strategically for your future. Okay. Strategic planning ang kailangan, most especially sa work mo. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan ng advice from a mentor, okay? From someone na mas nakakaalam, okay? You're dealing with a boss. If there is something na gusto mong i-open up or sabihin sa inyong boss, speak up your mind, okay? You feel that there is something na kailangan baguhin or ayusin. Okay? Yeah. Speak the truth. Yeah. For some of you, may mga concerns na kailangan mong sabihin. Okay. Maybe may mga challenges na kailangan mo i-express. Okay. Yes. Meron ba kayong proposal? May gusto ba kayong gawin sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong ginagawa? Okay, meron ba kayong gustong i-suggest, Libra? So, speak your truth, speak your mind, okay? If you have new ideas, bright ideas, pick it up. Yeah. Pero nagdadalawang isip ka. You're thinking about this. Okay. Okay. Changes. Merong pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay. Yeah. Do what you think is right. Do what you think is fair and just sa inyong situation, Libra. Okay? Yeah. Things are looking up, okay? Magiging maayos din ang inyong situation. Justice will be served. Kung ano yung nararapat para sa inyo. Okay? Decide for yourself as well. Okay? Kung ano ang makapagbigay sa inyo ng peace of mind, you need to move forward. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, there is a change of work, change of location. May mga bagay na kailangan ninyong pag-isipan. You feel that you need to move on. Okay? Merong transfer na mangyayari, paglilipat. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Meron kayong inaantay. Be patient. Okay? You are looking forward sa mga magagandang mangyayari, Libra. Par nag-aantay lang din kayo. Kayo ng tamang panahon. Okay? Ng right timing. But it feels na parang it's time for you to move forward. Okay? Merong change of direction. Yeah. Merong pangyayari, okay? Mangyayari na very sudden or hindi nyo in-expect. Na parang right timing din para sa inyo, para maka-move forward kayo or para makalipat, maka-transfer, kung ano man to. Parang it's high time for you to do that, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo naghahanap lang din ng tamang timing para sabihin ito sa inyong boss, okay? Yeah. King of Pentacles. You have the Midas touch. Okay. Kung merong mga opportunities sa inyo when it comes sa kaperahan or finances, new career, new job, you have to consider it confidently. Okay? Accept it. Wag magdalawang isip or wag mag-isip ng negative. Okay? Yung hindi pa nangyayari, wag mag-assume ng negative, Libra. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, ayaw mo bigyan ito ng atensyon or ng pansin. Okay? Merong boredom sa part ninyo or loss of interest. Okay. Yeah, merong someone na gustong makipag-usap sa inyo. Maybe an earth sign. Okay. Pero nagdadalawang isip ka pa. Nag-iisip ka ng negative. Or this is, o kung opportunity man ito, nag-iisip ka ng negative. Parang hindi ka ganun ka-confident. Okay. 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 You're thinking about improvement sa inyong sitwasyon. Merong planning, merong discussion, pag-uusap, na-recognize ang inyong galing sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, nag-iisip kayo kung magtatagal pa ba kayo sa isang company or hindi. Tinitingnan ninyo ang inyong achievements. Okay? You're thinking if you're going to stay or not. Something like that, Libra. Okay? Just take whatever resonates for you. But these are the energies. Yeah. Merong also pag-uusap how to improve things. How to move further. Okay? Ano mga kailangan gawin para maayos ang isang sitwasyon. Yes. Merong planning, pag-uusap, meeting. For some of you, a structure of a house. Kung nagpapatayo kayo ng bahay, pinag-iisipan ninyo ng mabuti. Okay? Merong pag-uusap na nangyayari. You're also thinking about your funds. Okay? Yeah, because for some of you, you're not sure of your financial status. Hindi kayo sure sa inyong finances. Okay? That is for some of you, Libra. Okay? For some of you, you will be taking a trip. Okay. Yeah. You are looking forward for something. Okay. Parang may inaantay kayo. Nakasaganahan. May inaantay kayo na progress. And kailangan mong maging patient. Okay. Yeah. Libra. Secrets. And if you are making a decision or meron kayong gustong gawin, consider your carefully kung ano yung gusto ninyo bago kayo umaksyon. Okay. Yes, lovers, intimate relationship. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin about this. Yes. Balance and harmony in your relationship ay kailangan. Okay? Maybe you are too busy sa work mo. Parang you are juggling things. Okay? Yeah. Time management is needed. There is some sense of fulfillment para sa inyo. Okay? You will feel happy. Okay? You will be proud of yourself. Libra, merong achievement, merong your dream will come true. Wish fulfillment. Okay? Yes. Victory. Ace of Wands. A chance for growth, merong opportunity, okay? May potential sa inyong ginagawa. Maybe this is a new job as well. New exciting endeavor. Yeah. You are excited about something. Bagong pagkakaabalahan, bagong project, creative project. Yeah. Okay. Listen to your intuition, Libra. Okay? Lalo na kung meron kayong mga desisyon na gagawin at hindi kayo makapag-decide ng maayos, okay? So, there will be a new direction. Okay? Paglilipat, transfer, new job. Okay? For some of you, you are just waiting for the news or for good news or offer before you will go. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the Spirit for Libra, please. Libra. Slow down and take your time. There is no need to rush everything. You are already doing your part. Trust that what belongs in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. Okay. Slow down and take your time. Tingnan natin from the angel number or angel or yeah. For Libra, please. Message for Libra. Okay. Message for Libra. Number 30. If you keep seeing the number 30, this is the message for you. You are an original, innovative thinker and an excellent communicator. You have a great talent for using creativity to convey your ideas, and your optimistic attitude has an uplifting effect on others. I am imaginative. Okay? So, this is the message for you. You are imaginative, Libra. You are very creative. Okay? Artistic. So, ito lang ang mga messages for you. Thank you so much, Libra, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!